Imagine walking into a luxurious restaurant, hoping for a delicious meal, but when the waiter asks what you'd like to eat, you simply say, food. The waiter stares at you, confused, unsure of what to serve. Now, replace the restaurant with the universe, and your vague request with your life goals. Can the universe fulfill your wishes if even you don't know what you truly want? This is the core of the law of attraction: clear intentions and focused actions. Yet, so many people fail to make it work. Why? They watch hours of motivational content, read books, listen to podcasts, but still struggle to attract wealth, success, or happiness into their lives. Are the people who claim they've achieved miracles with the law of attraction lying, or is there something you are missing? In this discussion, we'll explore 5 critical mistakes people make while applying the law of attraction and how to fix them. By the end, you'll not only understand why it's not working for you but also how to transform your dreams into reality. Mistake 1: lack of clear intentions. Let's revisit the restaurant analogy. If you can't decide what you want to eat, how can the waiter serve you? Similarly, the universe needs clear instructions to bring your desires to life. Most people say things like, I want to be successful, or I want more money. But these vague goals confuse the process. Success in what? How much money? By when? If you don't define your destination, how will you chart a path? For instance, instead of saying, I want money, say, I want to earn 1 lakh rupees within the next 6 months. Notice the difference. A specific goal gives your subconscious mind a clear target, helping you identify opportunities and generate ideas to achieve it. Here's another example. If you say, I want to be successful, break it down. Define what success means to you, whether it's excelling in your career, building a business, or achieving personal milestones. Be specific about the field, timeline, and level of success you are aiming for. Without this clarity, you are leaving the universe guessing, and that's why your desires remain unfulfilled. Mistake 2: neglecting action. The law of attraction is not magic, it's a collaboration between your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Many people believe that simply thinking about their goals will bring them to life. But without consistent effort, even the clearest intentions won't yield results. Imagine wanting to get fit. Will just thinking about a healthy body make it happen? No, you need to exercise regularly, maintain a proper diet, and stick to the routine. The same principle applies to attracting wealth, relationships, or any other dream. Start by taking small, actionable steps daily. If your goal is to earn 1 lakh rupees in 6 months, brainstorm potential ideas, research opportunities, and take concrete actions, whether it's freelancing, starting a business, or learning new skills. Consistency is the bridge between desire and reality. Mistake 3: impatience. In today's fast-paced world, we crave instant results. Many give up too soon when they don't see immediate progress. But remember, every meaningful achievement takes time, just like a seed takes time to grow into a tree. For example, a person starts a new venture but abandons it after a month because profits don't pour in immediately. This impatience blocks the law of attraction from working in their favor. Instead, trust the process and give your efforts time to mature. Think of your dreams as seeds. Nurture them with consistent effort, water them with patience, and protect them from the weeds of doubt. Believe in the timing of the universe. It's never late, it's never early. Mistake 4: negative thinking. Your thoughts shape your reality, and negativity can become your biggest obstacle. If you constantly doubt your abilities or fear failure, you are sending out negative vibrations that repel positive outcomes. Imagine being a magnet. Positive thoughts attract positivity, while negative thoughts draw negativity. For instance, if you repeatedly tell yourself, I can't do this, your subconscious mind adopts this belief, and you unconsciously start behaving in ways that confirm it. To overcome this, replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Say things like, I am capable, I am strong, and I can achieve this. These affirmations rewire your subconscious mind, creating a positive belief system that supports your goals. Mistake 5: limiting beliefs. Sometimes, the biggest barriers to success are the ones we create in our minds. Beliefs like, I'm not good enough, or this isn't possible for me, limit your potential and stop you from dreaming big. Recognize these limiting beliefs and challenge them. Ask yourself, why do I think this? Most of the time, these thoughts are rooted in past failures or societal conditioning. Break free from these mental chains and believe in your limitless potential. For example, if you want to start a business but think, I don't have the resources, shift your focus to finding solutions. What skills can you leverage? Who can you network with? When you start looking for possibilities, they appear. The key to success: mindset plus action. The law of attraction is a powerful tool, but it works only when paired with the right mindset and consistent actions. Clear your intentions, take actionable steps, practice patience, maintain positivity, and eliminate limiting beliefs. Remember, the universe is ready to help you, but you must meet it halfway. Begin today by taking that first small step toward your dreams. Are you ready to unlock your potential and attract the life you've always wanted? Let's begin with a thought. Have you ever noticed that the universe seems to favor those who take action for their dreams? It's often said that the law of attraction helps those who help themselves. But what does this really mean? Let's dive deeper and understand the science behind it. How the law of attraction works scientifically. Whenever you make a wish or try to attract something from the universe, it's not just about speaking it into existence. Here's something fascinating. Before the universe even hears your wishes, your subconscious mind picks them up. Surprising, right? But this isn't just a mystical idea. Scientists and psychologists have studied this extensively. Our mind is divided into two parts: the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is what we actively use to make decisions and think logically. On the other hand, the subconscious mind operates in the background, continuously processing information without us even realizing it. For example, when you first learned to drive, you had to focus on every movement. Over time, driving became second nature, controlled almost entirely by your subconscious. Similarly, many of our habits, beliefs, and actions are governed by this powerful part of our brain. Now, how does this relate to the law of attraction? When your subconscious mind picks up on your thoughts and desires, it starts working in that direction without you being fully aware. You begin to unconsciously act in ways that align with those thoughts. The power of positive thinking. This brings us to the second key reason why the law of attraction might not work for some people: negative thoughts. Imagine yourself as a magnet. Positive thoughts attract positivity, while negative thoughts bring negativity into your life. If you're constantly doubting yourself or living in fear, these negative vibrations block your goals. Have you ever heard the phrase, "You become what you think"? It's absolutely true. If you repeatedly tell yourself, "I can't do this," your subconscious locks onto this belief and starts behaving accordingly. The solution: replace these negative thoughts with positive affirmations. For example, say to yourself, "I am capable, I am strong, I can achieve this." These affirmations build a positive belief system within your subconscious, gradually changing how you think and act. Consistent action is the key. Finally, the third reason people struggle with the law of attraction is inconsistent actions. The truth is, you can't just think about your goals and expect them to manifest. You must take consistent, focused action. Let's say you want to get fit. Simply imagining yourself with a toned body won't help unless you hit the gym regularly and follow a healthy diet. Small, consistent steps are the secret. Every day, work toward your goals, no matter how minor the effort may seem. Over time, these small actions compound into significant results, and you'll find yourself closer to achieving your dreams. A quick recap. To make the law of attraction work for you. 1. Understand the power of your subconscious mind and how it influences your actions. 2. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations to build a supportive mindset. 3. Take consistent, deliberate actions toward your goals. Remember, the universe aligns with those who align their thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Are you ready to take the first step toward creating the life you've always dreamed of? The journey to make the law of attraction work for you. Have you ever felt that no matter how much you dream, your goals remain out of reach? What if the issue isn't with the law of attraction but with how you apply it? Let's explore how you can align your actions, mindset, and patience to make this powerful concept work for you. Action, the backbone of attraction. Dreaming is essential, but dreams without actions are like seeds without water. Imagine you want to get fit. Simply thinking about a healthier body won't do much unless you commit to exercising regularly and eating a nutritious diet. The law of attraction works hand in hand with consistent efforts. Take small but meaningful steps toward your big goals every single day. Whether it's spending an hour learning a new skill, planning your career, or working on your personal growth, consistency is the key. These small steps accumulate into massive progress over time, and that's when you'll see the law of attraction in action. Patience, the silent ingredient. Many people give up too soon because they expect instant results. But here's the truth, everything worthwhile takes time. Think of a seed, it doesn't sprout into a tree overnight. Similarly, your dreams need nurturing and patience to transform into reality. Expecting immediate outcomes is unrealistic and sets you up for disappointment. Instead, trust the process. Believe that the universe is aligning things for you, even if you can't see the results right away. Celebrate small wins along the journey, knowing that every step forward, no matter how tiny, is progress. Breaking limiting beliefs. One of the biggest obstacles to success is the limiting beliefs you hold about yourself. Thoughts like, I'm not good enough, or I can't achieve this, act as mental barriers, stopping you from reaching your full potential. To break free, start by identifying these beliefs. Challenge them with positive affirmations. I am capable. I have the power to succeed. I deserve success. When you truly believe in your abilities, the law of attraction aligns with your confidence and creates opportunities that match your potential. A quick recap of the core principles. Let's summarize the 5 key reasons why the law of attraction might not be working for you, and how to fix them. 1. Define your goals clearly. Know exactly what you want. Vague desires lead to vague results. 2. Shift negative thoughts. Replace doubt and fear with positivity and belief. 3. Take action. Dreams require consistent efforts to come true. 4. Be patient. Understand that good things take time. Trust the process. 5. Break limiting beliefs. Believe in yourself and your potential to achieve greatness. Final thoughts. The law of attraction is a powerful tool, but it only works when you pair it with the right mindset, consistent efforts, and unwavering patience. So, take the first step toward your dreams today. Remember, every small action you take builds momentum and brings you closer to the life you've always imagined. Are you ready to make your dreams a reality? Let's begin.